Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. So right now we're in a place St. Thomas, so what I say? Lethal for sure. So we got grandma grave digging and see there. My mama out as always and bro, you know, you see a thing go? Watch it pray, you know. Camera push it over again. Jesus Christ. Yes brother, so right now we're there, go down panic go see what go on, you know? Yes, I. But then they go down on the ground go see where they down there go out. Because then they're there from man, but you know we have to travel so you know, I think we already know. Alright, I see pre-war going down there so. So stay tuned and go and see what go on this me. Down on the graveyard there, you know. Yeah, sexy woman I pass from back there. I go down a cemetery. Watch out, mommy nice, watch it, Lord Jesus, in brother, you know. Yo, last guys, you know, follow me now, so me going excited, you know what I mean? Yes, I so. Today I go and see what the prayer and what take place, you know.
Put on the video. Put on the video.
I can say. Hello. What now, mommy, bigger than me, too, like. See there, meet up with family members, say, uncle, you know, one boy, you know what I mean? Another one, they're cool too, you know. See them there? Whole heap of people. Brother? Nah, go on good still, me bro. So right now, so I go on back on me there. But this is them there, you know what I mean? For family member and all these things, I'm just see for a whole heap of years, you know. Like a whole heap of years when I see them people there. Two grave a building and one in the people. My grandmother was other lady, I can't really do nothing there, so I can't be music play. So I go down in the hole there, you know. Got two grave a building and one. Yes, I broke your foot. Oh, come here, I wonder where you try to start, you know. Hey guys, so we don't know which I said grandmother, but it's still, you know.
Mr. Sterling! Mr. Sterling! Yo! Are you become fire? Are you ready? Yeah, man. Mom, fuck out here. Yes.
Sorry. Yes, man. Think you are going, you know. Grave in one right now, people. So I know style of building grave at Jamaica.
Alright, Andrew. Stay up on the work. You're not my friends.
That's that for right now, you know. So we're up on the Lethal St. Thomas. Go and match up the thing, you see me? Mommy there, everybody there, brother. See all one over there, so they yo DJ Wicked, big up yourself in a general. They say there. Make sure you go out and subscribe for the thing, you know. See me I say?
You're not a garlic too. You're not a garlic. So time.
They say there right now.
Martha.
Yeah guys, so the grave them stay there, you know. Them done just it up and them put on a piece of the headstone them, you see it. So that for now. So just go and watch it pray and see how it. People see the final pray there. Big brother, little brother, cousin, brother, niece. They want to catch it pray now. That's right now. Soon take on back the road to Portland, you know. Hi mother. Come here. Come here. Stay there. Stay there. I want you guys to meet my family. my aunts and my cousins. This is my sexy, you know. Don't mind me. So these two beautiful ladies are my cousins and my nice aunts. There they are. So welcome to the family.
Yes, welcome to
Welcome
the
to
family.
them.
Thank you.
Everybody don't know Mama already, so I don't know where things go. So yeah, let's see how the old stay over here. So I want to see uncle there. Uncle say I know. Uncle I can't say I. Oh, I'm the one that one. Guys, the family will be here. So see the pre-mains of the grave them, you know. All them stay. Which one I'm going to which one I'm going right. We're going left, we're going right. So if you funeral are going Sunday? Oh, the other one. So, you see, that is that for now. I will actually smoke it out for Portland back right now. And then I finish dress up here. I want me. What God do I put you up on me dresser? That you want me do? Yeah, but you say me fi take your picture. You say me fi take your picture so me carry go put on me dresser. You want me to frame me? And put one outside of it and say I love you. So answer me now.
Oh, you jump out of me and listen to the one. You love me?
Say if you want me. Me say if you want me to take your picture, put on me dresser and put one outside of it, mark I love you. Lord have mercy. I love you, okay? And I say thank you. That's another case. Yeah, that's another case. You want to come to Portland? Alright, you're welcome. You come this evening or you come when we come to funeral?
Anytime you want. You want me to come this evening?
If you want. You don't say you want to come because I don't make your first train left me.
I love fucking on me. I fuck tonight.
Sir?
You have to fuck the first night.
Yes, I'm going to put your panty, 5.
Blood clot at 10 me gone. Why you still can't live, man?
Auntie, you have to watch your step, you know. I mean, they won't up here broke your foot. Oh, they know you. They say they know you. That feel good? Auntie, what time do I go over? What time do I go over? No have space for me? For me? Oh, yeah, I got your castle first.
Yeah, and then we can call our food.
Port Marant. So guys, see the pre for the evening. Yes, Rasta, home time, you know. Yes, guys, see the pre, you know. Yeah, home time. So go and big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. And know say, go and subscribe to Sexy Kim Vlogs. Yes guys, so Saturday, Sunday funeral 1 o'clock. Saturday 9 nights. So we'll get more from that. So we're gonna lay grandma to rest on Sunday, so come pay my respect for grave digging. So right now we are about to head out back to Portland, but don't forget to invite a friend over. Show no support and love same way. Go and big up on yourself. Peace and out. Blessings.